No, guys, I'm not talking about wall arts or digital planners. I'm talking about the personalized digital niche. This digital product makes over $4,000 per month. But, guys, I do all things Etsy, digital products, selling online, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So make sure you check them out, guys, so you can see exactly how to make money through Etsy. In fact, look at this. This actually makes $4,375. It is the store's best seller, and I'm going to explain what it is. It's quite simple, guys. This is a custom personalized drawing of a pet, as you can see, with a drink in their hand. And that's all it is. Now, I keep saying it again and again and again, guys. If you want to sell on Etsy or have a quicker chance of selling on Etsy, then you need to get into something called the personalized custom niche. And what this is basically when a customer sends you a photo of their dog, for example, you can see, and they want you to create a design of it, a drawing of it. And in this case, the little sub niche, the little differentiator, the little difference, the little uniqueness about this particular listing is that they show the design or the cat dog with a drink in their hand. And that's the only difference in this case. So sometimes you can have a subtle, unique difference, but essentially you are getting a photo from the customer and you are creating a design from it. And guys, this is what I teach, so do check out the link below if you're interested in personalization. But look, this single one listing, as I said, makes over 4,375. That's over $52,000, guys, per year for one 6-month-old listing. I'm going to break it down why it's doing so well and look at the data, look at the facts. Remember, check out Everbee, my go-to research tool, because as you can see on my screen, I'm using Everbee. This is giving me the data. Now, this is where the numbers are, and this is why it's doing so well. You can see clearly that custom dog is quite a good keyword of 60. And like I said, this is where you find the tags for the listing. The tags are super important for the Etsy algorithm to find your listing. Hopefully you're doing your tags and you've got a full amount of tags which are low competition ideally. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products on one of the biggest platforms in the world called Etsy. No experience or design skills are needed. In fact, join my 20-minute challenge where I'll show you how anyone can create Etsy ready AI designs that you can sell. And in less than 20 minutes, I'll show you exactly how you can do that. I've only got limited spaces available, so be quick. So click the link below or above and I'll see you inside. All right, let's get back to the video. Now, what you can see is that there are two keywords in particular that are here. And you can see the top ones, the dog open bar and the dog holding one, has some of the highest keyword scores. But obviously, that's not the only thing that's bringing in the customers. There are other good ones too. My point being is that custom is the one and personalization are the things that are being searched for with regards to this. And it's quite simple, guys. It is transforming a photo of a dog into a drawing, which you can do with AI. And in fact, you can do using my go to tool called Kittle. And I'm going to show you exactly how this is. But let me just show you the store really quickly as well. So check out the store. Okay, so I'm on the store right now. You can see the store's got 338 listings, 1-year-old store with all kinds of different things, guys, to be honest. A lot of things kind of related to weddings and so on, anniversaries, a wedding venue. So lots of different things, right? So out of the 338 listings, guys, out of the 338, this particular listing is making more than any of these put together. Right. The next one is making 1,200. And the funny thing is, that's also in the personalization niche. So my point being is that this is how people make money. On those generic digital products, it's much harder to make the money because there is a lot of competition. Now, how to create something like this, I'm going to show you this in 2 minutes because it's that easy. So let's jump onto Kittle, my go-to design editing suite, and you'll see how I'm going to do it. So let's jump on it. Okay, guys, I'm on Kittle, my go-to design AI platform. I'm telling you, this is the one. It's absolutely phenomenal. Just try it for free. I got 25% off all the plans, so you can really get into it and see what's going on. Now, look, I'm going to very quickly, like literally in minutes, right? I want to upload an image of a dog. Okay, let me show you what the dog looks like. Let me go to projects on the side, right? I'm going to go to new project. Okay, so I've just opened up an artboard, right? And I'm just going to go on the side, see my uploads, see if I got an upload of a dog. Like, here's an upload of a dog, right? Picture of a dog. So imagine a customer sends you a picture of their dog, right? Just want to show you in principle how easy it is to do this, right? So picture of a dog, right? Not the best picture. I don't know why they've got a neck warmer. That's a bit mad. But anyway, let's use it. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to upload it here. There's a box at the bottom. This is where I'm going to upload the image. Open. Okay, so I've got the image. Now what I'm going to do is create a hand-drawn color style from this photo and show the dog holding a glass of orange juice. Now it doesn't matter. You can just say anything, holding whatever it is. I just want to show you the principle. And this is like my first attempt, first prompt. Not even gonna like redo it, or I might redo it, but I'm just saying like this is my first attempt. Now remember, a prompt is a string of words. So I'm basically describing what I want this photo to be. Okay. Now, there's different design models. We call them design models like Nano Banana, like ChatGPT, and Kittle, which is my platform, has all of these models. They're all here. Look at these. They're all here. Look, there's loads of them. I'm sticking to Nano Banana because I like it. It's quite good. And I'm going to just try this out. So create a hand-drawn color style from this photo and show the dog holding a glass of orange juice and smiling. I'm going to say hand-drawn cartoon, color style, and smiling. What else am I going to say? In a white background with a white background. I can say transparent or anything. It's cool. And I'm going to say generate. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Now, it's going to generate. It's going to take about, 25 seconds or so? 20 seconds now, right? And it's my first attempt. And I'm just literally going on what I saw because I'm going to try and create something like it, but in my own way. That's it. And this is what you do, guys. You got to identify, see what's working, and then do something in your own unique way. Obviously, you get inspiration. Okay, that's not exactly what I wanted. However, look, you can see that I created a character. Now, this is how we start adjusting it. So what I'm going to do is I want to say, make the drawing more of a watercolor style and remove the neck warmer. Well, why am I removing it? But I'm just going to show you. And show the dog dancing. Okay, that's just a step, like I'm just developing the idea. Remember, this is a development. Sometimes you have to go and check and redo. It happens, it's normal. But once you have a set template, then you're good to go. You can remix it so that you have the same style, consistent style for the other animals or characters that you get from the customers, right? Here it is. Look. That's actually better. Look at that. Look, that's actually better. That's more in keeping with the style. But I want to say that is much more in keeping. Make the drawing or design more watercolor design style. Probably need to kind of add a bit more, but can you see how you can quickly develop an idea and show the dog side view? See if it can do that. Side view. So literally, I've just done a couple of different designs and you can see clearly the development, how it kind of improves, after just a few prompts. It's just crazy. Like it literally can happen so quick. It's mad. Okay, let's do this. There you go. This, you know what? I love this. This is working. This is working now. This is cooking. I'm cooking now. I'm cooking some food. Look at that. That is amazing. I can add more to it, guys. I can make it more, definitely that drawn style. I can even say, can I have it more of a hand drawn style? There's so much I can do, but I just wanted to give you the flavor of how it works. And if you're serious about making money online with AI, why not join my academy where I'll show you step by step how to create and sell AI made digital products. Anyway, if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.